So this is an Ingersoll. Now this one looks like you might have bought it new.
I did. I had two of them. The first one was a little small. Case was the first one, and then Ingersoll bought out Case, but actually they're the same machine.
Mm-hmm.
And my other one was a one-cylinder Kohler, and this is a two-cylinder, the Briggs and Stratton.
Now, how long have you had this one?
I've had this about, I'm going to say I've had it 10, 11 years. Yeah.
Oh wow, Vanguard 14 horse twin.
Yeah.
I noticed it was hanging out of the engine compartment. She's pretty big.
Yeah. Yeah, two-cylinder. I wanted another Kohler, but the guy says you'll be very satisfied with this one here. And I couldn't get one right at that time with the Kohler engine. So I got this one here. I've had very good luck with it.
How big's the mower deck?
I think it's
Looks pretty big.
34 inches, I think it is.
Hmm?
34, might be 36, but seems like it's 34.
Is that hydrostatic drive?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good.
Everything's hydrostatic now.
Hmm?
You can rev this deck right up, and slow it right down here.
Oh, okay.
Like if you're going through. I'll start it up and I'll show you.
Sure. We'll make you an internet sensation yet, Wayne.
Then you get low here, that's low range, and then you get high range in here.
Okay.
But like I could go right up there and mow right in the
Sure, why not?
grass with the thing. And,
wow, that sounds really nice. Oh, I see.
All you do is no clutch or anything like that. This thing here raises the deck. Yeah, of course I got the snowblower that goes with it.
Do you run the snowblower in the wintertime?
Oh yes, absolutely.
Is it a one stage or two stage?
It's a one stage.
Okay.
Yeah, one stage. But it does a good job.
Yeah.
I know the two stage will go it farther, but I've never had any problem with it. I might have to go over it the second time.
Yeah. Yeah, let's show me what you can do. I see it's got about 1,100 hours on it, so that's pretty.
Yeah. Go right down there like a driver.
Looks like a 3-blade deck. Just let her go.
I've got bushes with that thing about everything else.
I can imagine. I can't believe how quiet it is.
Yeah, a lot of them have a good line to them. My friend up there's got a job there, and the sounds are altogether different.